Alright, grab some fucking butter, man. Put it in the pan. The pan is fucking hot. Now it's going. Alright. Some fucking oil in there, too. Get these potatoes cooked up, kiddies. These are just boiled potatoes, nothing fucking fancy. You boil them, you fucking peel them, or you peel them and you boil them. I don't care what you do it in what order, just fucking do it. Boil some fucking potatoes. Alright, get those in the pan. Some onions. Onions as well. Good enough. Onions. In the pan. Look at all that. Alright. Somebody said I should get a holster for this motherfucker. I need a fucking holster. Put that right in the fucking side. You know it. Okay, you guys from America call it paprika. We're gonna call it fucking paprika, and I'm putting some shit in there. Paprika and hot sauce and hot powder. Fuck it. Alright. So we're going to brown the outside of this. Just looking to brown the outside of them. We're going to stick them in the fucking oven for a second. How about that? When they're brown, they're going in the oven. Garlic, onion, potato, paprika, chili powder, fucking salt, motherfuckers. I'm back on salt. I'm doing my sodium trip. Oh yeah, some for the fucking pan. Okay, stove's off in the oven. The action, the potatoes are in the stove. Potatoes are in the oven. Some good old fucking Canadian pea meal bacon. Traditionally, you can use pea meal to the chicken. Traditionally, you can use the pea meal bacon. That's this stuff here. Stuff we're cooking now. Or you can use Canadian bacon. It's basically fucking ham. There's discs, whatever the fuck. That's what we're using, so fucking... Alright. Fudge. Bacon. Let that cook. We'll be right back. We'll be right back, I say. Fucking motherfucker. Try the garlic. There's the garlic. Yeah. Garlic's in. Let that shit in, keep it warm. 1, 2, the fucking 3. Come on. 4. Yeah. Back in the oven. Keep it warm. 200 degrees. Fucking fire it in. Hot pan. What are we doing? Pancakes. There we go. No fucking pancake shit. Pancake. Load that much. Turn the heat off. Burn yourself. Grab yourself a banana. Like that. Oh yeah. Look at me. Bananas! Where are these going? We're eating a fucking pancake, y'all. We're making a Canadian brizzy breakfast. Alright. Bananas into the pancake mix. I'm not making pancake mix from fucking scratch because I'm too fucking lazy. Alright, little milk. Enough. Little water. mix this up. We'll be right back. Give me a second. Banana pancakes with vanilla. I just flipped it. Probably fucking half cooked. It doesn't matter because you know what? Ah, you motherfucker. Guess it does matter. So what? I spoke a little soon. I'll fucking fix it. You want 3 pancakes? That's what we're working with here today. It's 3 fucking pancakes, Canadian style, with banana in them. Let me smell them. Woo! Hoo! They're fucking good. Banana. Love it. Okay. Next one. You just sit right there with your friends. That one over that way. We're done the pancakes. We're done the fucking bacon's in the oven. The potatoes are in the oven. Next is fucking what else? I don't know. I'll figure it out and we'll be back.